How to use Snapchat AI chat. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings first. Make sure we are on the latest version of iOS or at least at 15. Then go to the App Store and search for Snapchat app and make sure the app is up to date for this feature to work, since it is the latest update of Snapchat and will not work with older version of Snapchat. Now, let us open the Snapchat app. And if you go to your chats, you will see My AI on the first of the chat list. Now click on that and you can chat with the AI just like you chat with any regular person. AI will give you very realistic replies and will make you feel like you're talking to a genuine person, as you can see from the chats on the screen. Also, the replies are instant, so you won't have to wait at all for replies unlike you normally do. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.